Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Today is Friday, February 12th. The municipality of Los Cabos has, for the first time this year, lowered the number of active COVID-19 cases to an average of 200 to 300 patients this past week, after maintaining between 300 and 400 active cases per week since last Christmas and through January. According to the Bajacaliforniasur Health Safety Committee, Los Cabos will stay as the only municipality at level 4 on the health alert system for the coming week. The municipalities of La Paz, Loreto, Comondú and Mulegé will stay for another week at level 5, said the Secretary of Health for Bajacaliforniasur, Dr. George Flores. After the committee session, the State Secretary of Health asked all members of our community to be prudent and responsible during the celebration of Valentine's Day. It should be noted that in the municipality of Los Cabos, the COVID Workgroup of the Los Cabos Coordinating Council, CCC for its acronym in Spanish, urged the business and restaurant chambers to exercise extreme sanitary protocols and not exceed the allowed capacity according to the health alert system restrictions. In order to keep the number of COVID-19 infections from increasing in Los Cabos, the Municipal Director of Health, Dr. Adam Monroy Justo, announced that this Valentine's Day, events, meetings, and social parties are prohibited. He added that February 14 is a date when there is an influx of people at restaurants, inns, and beaches, among other public spaces, which could generate an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases over the next 2 weeks. In this sense, vigilance will be maintained at these places where people tend to gather to guarantee that the allowed capacity is not exceeded and that all businesses and patrons comply with the established sanitary protocols. Dr. Monroy also pointed out that meetings and parties at private homes are not allowed since this was decreed by the state government. He also stressed that those failing to comply with these restrictions could be subject to sanctions and fines from the corresponding authorities. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great weekend, and remember to tune in on Sunday at 6 p.m. for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update.